You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word, but how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names, as well as how to say more interesting and often confusing names of famous places around France and Paris, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel to learn more. The name of this famous cemetery in Paris, France: Père, meaning father in French, Père Lachaise, Père Lachaise, or in English, Père Lachaise, Père Lachaise from French, Père Lachaise. More videos here on how to pronounce more interesting names that many get wrong. Like and subscribe if you found this video useful. Thanks for your support, very much appreciated, and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.